In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis Professional. This is straightforward if you follow Autodesk's official process. This software is part of Autodesk's Structural Engineering Suite and is available through subscription or educational access. To begin, you'll need an Autodesk account. If you don't already have one, go to the Autodesk website right here and create it. Once signed in, navigate to the Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis Professional page. Here, you can either start a free trial or download it directly if you already have a subscription. Students and educators can also access it for free via the Autodesk Education community, which requires proof of academic status. When you click download, Autodesk will provide you with an installer through the Autodesk Access app, previously called Autodesk Desktop app. Make sure you choose the correct version for your operating system, Windows 10 or Windows 11, 64-bit only. After the installer is downloaded, run it and follow the setup prompts. You'll be asked to select the installation, location, confirm required components, and proceed with the installation. Once installation is complete, open the software and log in with your Autodesk account. If you're using a trial, you'll typically get 30 days of full access. For long-term use, you'll need to activate it with a subscription license. If you are a student or educator, logging in with your Autodesk Education account will automatically unlock the educational license. For smooth performance, make sure your PC meets the system requirement. Autodesk recommends at least 16 GB of RAM, a modern multi-core processor, and a dedicated GPU, with DirectX 12 support for handling large structural models. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.